Stop by and take a look at the 2017 XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.